Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In today's video, I will explore you all about one of the famous historical place in Pune, that is Shaniwar Vada, Pune. Shaniwar Vada in Pune is a historical place and fort that chronicles the glory and grandeur of Maratha Empire. This old mansion boasts of a history of 287 years and was the seat of the Peshwas, who were the prime ministers to the Maratha rulers. It served as a melting pot of culture and politics until the Peshwas lost the Vada to the British in 1818. Today it stands as one of the finest architectural legacies and a prime tourist attraction in the city of Pune. Shaniwar Vada was built by Peshwa Baji Rao, a general under Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj of the Maratha Empire. He laid the foundation of the site in 1730 and the construction was completed in 1732. Initially, it was intended to be a colossal 7-storied palace made of stones. However, after the construction of the base floor, the people of the national capital complained to the king that only he was authorized to build stone palaces. Consequently, the remaining floors were constructed using bricks. The full impact of this was felt when the British artillery attacked the palace 90 years after its construction. Except for the base floor, which was constructed using stones, no other floor could stand the attack and all the top stories collapsed. Over the years after its construction, the Peshwas made many additions to the mansion, such as fortification walls with gateways and bastions, reservoirs, court halls, fountains, and other structures. This place was also a witness to several significant episodes in the history of the Peshwas. In 1773, the 5th Peshwa Narayan Rao was murdered inside this palace by his guards at the behest of Raghunath Rao, his uncle, and Anand Bai, his aunt. That's not all, it was also the site where romance between Peshwa Baji Rao and Mastani Sahiba blossomed. In 1818, the British East India Company gained control over the Vada following their win in the Third Anglo-Maratha War. On 27 February 1828, the palace was engulfed by the huge unexplained fire, causing extensive damage to the whole structure. After the fire doused, only the massive granite ramparts, deep fountains, and a few thick gateways and erections remained of the grand mansion. The structures that survived this massive fire outbreak are currently maintained as a tourist site. The fortification wall of the palace had 5 entry points and 9 bastions. The palace was designed with carved teak doorways. Within the palace complex, the Ganpati Rang Mahal was erected as a separate palace for observing religious functions. It had a massive statue of Lord Ganesha. A majestic fountain shaped like a lotus called Hazari Karanje, or the Fountain of 1,000 Jets, adorned the palace complex. It is believed to have been the most exquisite fountain of that era, whose jet formed 80 feet high arches. Shaniwar Vada is a ruined structure now, it is still one of the best places to visit in Pune. Although the mansion covered nearly the whole city in its heyday, it currently spreads across 625 acres. Interestingly, Shaniwar Vada is considered to be among the top haunted places in Pune. It is believed that the spirit of the murdered Peshwa Narayan Rao still roams in the palace at night. The light and sound show held here in the evening is also a major attraction for visitors. It is interesting to note that the old part of Pune is laid out around Shaniwar Vada in a chaotic yet orderly manner. You can also find some of the oldest markets in Pune, such as Tulsi Bagh, Lakshmi Road and Ravivar Pith around this grand edifice. The ruined complex of Shaniwar Vada has many attractions to keep visitors enthralled, which includes Dilli Darwaja or Dilli Gate, the main gate of the fortified palace, Mastani Darwaza, Akka Mastani Gate or Ali Bahadur Darwaja, the gateway used by Mastani, the second wife of Bajirao, Ganesh Darwaza or Ganesh Gate, near which existed the Ganesh Rang Mahal, Jambul Darwaza or Narayan Darwaja, Akka Narayan's Gate, used by concubines to access and leave the fortified premises, 9 Batschen Towers, Garden Complex, Hazari Karanje, the 16-petal lotus-shaped fountain, a few surviving cannons, the majestic statue of Bajirao I that stands at the entrance of the palace. It was also featured in the 2015 Bollywood blockbuster Bajirao Mastani. The main gate of the palace is so big that an elephant can easily pass through it. However, to prevent the enemies from using elephants to charge the gate, the sharp steel spikes were attached to each pane of the gate at an approximate height of an adult elephant's forehead. Near to Shaniwar Vada, some other tourist attractions are also there. Nana Vada and Lal Mahal are just 250 meters away from Shaniwar Vada. Dagdushet Halwai Ganesh Temple, situated 450 meters away from Shaniwar Vada. Padaleshwar Temple is 1 kilometer away. Sri Omkareshwar Temple is 1.1 kilometer away and Mahatma Phule Museum is 1.8 kilometer. Kamala Nehru Park is 3.5 kilometers away from Shaniwar Vada. Steeped in the history and heritage, Shaniwar Vada definitely makes for a fascinating tourist spot. While you are in the city, make sure to explore other historical places in Pune including Singha Fort, Aga Khan Palace and Padaleshwar Temple also. Entry tickets for adults are 50 rupees per head and there is no tickets for the children below 15 years of age. The timings are 8 am to 6:30 pm every day. If you are staying in Pune, you must visit this place. Hope you all got some basic information about If you really enjoyed this video, please like the video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel